Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, TikTok. Let's pretty much get into it. Um, Today is 12/8. We have no news today, and we have no news tomorrow. So let's pretty much get into it. This is a no news Monday. So we're currently trading to the downside here. We had a little bit of swing up during pre-market, and then we pretty much fell. I wish I could have caught this, but I just saw I just saw like I was watching price action on like 50-minute here, and I just kept sawing candles. So I just figured that we were just falling to the downside, and we were gonna have any manipulation because I like to see manipulation like a 5-minute candle to the upside that kind of comes up here, and then it tends to continue falling. So I didn't really see any manipulation the way that I trade. So I didn't take any trades today. So I just wanted to explain that way. We did break below this 4-hour low, I'm pretty sure. And we still have this also 4-hour low that we also broke through as well. And now we just sitting on these 30-minute lows here, and I just have two more 4-hour lows of draws on liquidity to the downside, and I still have these. This was market open since I always mark out my market open candle, and then I obviously have these 4-hour highs and then these 4-hour highs as well. So I'm hoping to see some more, some manipulation, and hopefully one of my confluence gets hit. If that doesn't happen, then obviously I don't trade because I got to stick to my trading plan, and I hope all y'all do that as well. And then let's kind of also switch over to ES. Let's kind of see how price action and then how it also, how today affected today. I mean, how the market affected today. So we have these 4-hour lows as well that we also punctured through. Let's get that off of there. So then I'm just sitting on these 30-minute lows, and then this is my market open line right here. 4-hour high and 4-hour high, and then a 4-hour low and 4-hour low. I'm pretty sure y'all can kind of see where this is going to. And I didn't see it but we are currently making a 4-hour. I think this is a 4-hour bearish SMT. Yeah, indeed, it is a 4-hour bearish SMT that we're kind of making here. Is NQ making that? Cause no, we have a bullish SMT. So these indexes are contradicting one another. So that's pretty interesting. So just be aware of that, since I just now kind of that just now kind of caught me. Um, so yeah, we're sitting on these 30-minute lows, market open, 4-hour and 4-hour, bearish SMT that we're making that I just caught. So I'm just seeing to one of these lows or highs to get manipulated, and did we make a 4-hour gap today? We kind of did right here. So this might also leave an opportunity as well that y'all can possibly trade. No, the gap is only on ES. So yeah, there is a 4-hour gap right here that we did make. So that's also very interesting. So this to see how it gets played out, and then obviously I'll be marking my market open and London session there. So that is something to be prepared for. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just waiting to see if any of these lows get broken through or this bullish gap on NAS gets broken through. So yeah, that is very interesting. Indexes are contradicting each other. Price action was just, I didn't see any form of manipulation, so I just didn't trade. So yeah, that kind of happened today. So just wanted to leave y'all with that there. So I hope that kind of helps y'all, so y'all can mark out y'all's ES charts kind of like me, or if any of the information that I'm leaving here on ES or NQ kind of helps you, because I love helping people trade, and I'm also building this brand here. So I hope that helped right there. Let's also kind of let's swap over to BTC USD here, so we can kind of see what we got going on here. So let's obviously look at 4-hour here, 4-hour low, 4-hour low, 4-hour low, and then 4-hour low way down there. So because I like to mark out way longer price ranges, because um just the crazy volume that we kind of have here on BTC USD. 30 minute, 1 hour, and I think this is actually 1 hour. I'm sorry, I'm mistaken that. So 1 hour here, 4-hour here, and 4-hour here, and then this is obviously a 4-hour high. So just waiting for a key level to get broken through. Um, I think these are 1 hour. Yeah, these are also 1 hour as well. I'm just trying to see if one of these 1 hour get broken through, or to see if we get any form of manipulation to the upside, because I like to see strong bullish order flow, and then typically it'll kind of dip. So just waiting for manipulation to happen. This pretty terrible consolidation that kind of happened during Saturday. So yeah, that's why I didn't trade that. Let's also kind of see here, making a bearish SMT here. So I think we're looking at shorts here to see if one of these levels get broken through. Let's also look at, let's get kind of lower in a lower time frame. Let's kind of look at like 5 minutes to see kind of where we at. Yeah, just kind of see if we get any form of manipulation. Then I might be targeting 1 to 3 to the downside. So I think that kind of covers everything that I've traded here and all of my draws on liquidity and everything on how I'm explaining this. So let's get into some things that we can talk about here. So I saw this interesting video. I know you are. I'm gonna be on it. I feel like the average hourly wage is probably $15 an hour. So I know you are worth more than that $15, that $20, that $25. I know y'all have way more in y'all, and I need y'all to go chase those 7-figure ideas behind y'all's names. I need y'all to do that for me. So let's let's get on a path to where we can start executing on our trading plan, executing on our TikTok shop, executing on e-commerce, MEO, um, any business idea that y'all have. I know y'all are worth more than those hourly wages. I know y'all have those ideas that are just kind of haunting you, kind of like inside your head. Like, I need to master this side hustle. Y'all need to get to where the point that y'all can just start executing each and every single day. I know trading is a little bit more lucrative to where you can't trade every single day, but I know on MEO, TikTok shop, e-commerce, brand building, um, freelance brand scaling. I know those are all side hustles that y'all can start executing on. And there's plenty of videos out there to be able to help y'all. I know there's obviously circumstances that are kind of hindering that, but please push past that because I know the amount of value that those ideas that y'all have. Y'all need to stop thinking in hourly wages and start thinking in value. Y'all need to give value a lot more, and I hope that kind of segment right there kind of helped y'all. Let me also dive deeper, a little bit deeper into that. So I know y'all are probably working a job or y'all are very young and y'all have those ideas that y'all need to execute on. Me, I'm into trading and I'm into brand building. If any newcomers are on here, I'm into day trading and brand building. I'm building a 7-figure day trading brand here on this YouTube channel from start to finish, and I hope y'all can see my journey here. I'm gonna be documenting pretty much everything here, and um, so yeah, obviously trading BTC USD and NQ futures there. So let's kind of loop around back again. I know y'all are worth more than those 15, 20, and $25 hours. I feel like that's pretty common wages that are getting paid here. Like I said, y'all need to start. There are plenty of videos on all those business ideas that I just listed out there, and I need y'all to execute on them. There are plenty of videos out there that can help you in any segment that you are. There's a lot of traders, there's a lot of freelance brand scalers, there's a lot of TikTok shop, organic, MEO, everything. Y'all need to sit there and focus on one thing and just sit there and execute. Just don't quit. Just I know it sounds hard. It obviously is hard. You're not wrong. But just be the guy that just never quits. I know I talked about this in my last video. Just be the SOB that just never quits. And I just I know where y'all been. If y'all are in the trading and brand building space, I know where y'all have been. I know y'all are probably working those jobs, slaving away from bro to bro, from just from the heart. I know y'all got this. It might seem really freaking hard right now, and I know where y'all are. So please, y'all need to provide, y'all need to scale up those side hustles, provide as much value as possible, and execute on that plan, execute on that journey. And you'll, because value follows money. Wherever you provide the most value in, I know there's money that come. So I just want to leave off on that sentence. That's the pearl. That's the moral outcome of me talking here. Y'all need to scale the side hustle to where it outpays your 15 an hour job. That you need to start executing on those ideas right there. Follow the value. Trust me, because I've been there. I'm following that. I feel like building a brand right now is really attaching a name to a brand is, and that value, that brand attached to your main source, you can execute a lot on that. So last thing that I'm gonna speak about here. Follow the value, scale up that, scale up that brand or that side hustle there to where it outpays your job and scale. So that's pretty much the kind of time horizon there. I gave y'all a very, very clear path to take. So please execute on that. I know y'all are probably in that grind mode, that little window of your life period where it just seems really freaking hard. You're trying to work as much as possible, work on that side hustle, and trying to provide much as value as possible. I know where y'all have been. I've been there. So I hope this little motivational segment here helped y'all out. So I'm gonna leave off on that, and I know y'all can do it. So thank y'all guys. I'm gonna see you on the next one. Take care.